Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, well, in this problem we have to define four terms related to reciprocating engines. The first term is what is stroke. Well, stroke is just the distance. Let's put in here is the distance between the TDC, which is the top dead center, and let's put it here, and the BDC, which is the bottom dead center. The second thing we must define is what is bore. Well, bore is just the diameter of the cylinder. The next thing is what is TDC, top dead center. So the top dead center is just the position to form the minimum volume. And the last thing is clearance volume. So let's put in here. Let's call CL. This is the CV actually. The clearance volume is just the numerical value of the minimum volume of the TDC. So is the numerical value of the minimum volume. So again, just to illustrate what is TDC and what is BDC. TDC is this. TDC is when the piston is in the maximum height compressing the gas. This is TDC. And BDC is when the piston is in the minimum height not compressing the gas inside the cylinder. Okay, so this is TDC and this is BDC. So TDC is the position to form the minimum volume. CV is the numerical value of this minimum volume. Bore is the diameter of the cylinder, and stroke is the distance between TDC and BDC, which is basically this distance here. Let's call delta X. Okay, that's the final answer. Thanks for watching.